Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Valentine's Day is around the corner and a lot of you loved my last pamper routine video. So I thought of making a DIY pamper date night video which you can enjoy with your Valentine on this Valentine's Day. The DIYs that I am going to show you can be enjoyed by both the partners individually or together. If you are married or you live together, then it's great, and if you don't, then you can just send them to your Valentine, and there's nothing like handmade relaxing gifts. And if you're single, then you can make these for yourself and enjoy Valentine's Day or Valentine's night by having some me time. In every pamper session, I always start off by lighting some candles around the room. First of all, you want to set up a romantic aroma. So just add about 4 to 5 drops of Rose Otto essential oil to water in a diffuser and light a candle under it. This is going to fill up the whole room with a sweet, floral, sensual smell. Now we are going to make a DIY bath salt for a relaxing bath. Now this is my favorite DIY in this video. Add about 1/4 cup of crystal salts, 1/4 cup of Epsom salts and 1 tablespoon of common salt. Now adding common salt is optional, but I love to mix in different types of salts. We give it a nice mix for some time and then add about 8 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil to it. This smells so cool and minty. And finally we mix everything again very well and pour it into a glass jar and add a label to it for decoration. This can be added to a bathtub or a bucket full of bath water. In case if you don't have a bathtub at your home, you can also use this as a foot soak. This relieves you of sore muscles, body ache, and it's very relaxing. Now we are gonna make a body oil for a sexy body massage. For that, take your favorite body oil, just plain olive oil like I did. I have taken about 70 ml of the oil, and then I add about 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. This has a very relaxing, sweet, floral smell. Put on the lid and give it a very good shake. I'm also decorating this one with a handmade label, and a body massage oil is ready. So that's how you can organize a relaxing date night for yourself and your Valentine. All the essential oils that I have shown in the video are from a brand called as Elansa, which you can find on Amazon. They have an offer going on right now, so you can buy them at an even cheaper price. So arrange this date night, doll yourself up to look more glamorous. I have also created a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial which shall be linked up here in the I button. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did while filming it. My whole house smells so relaxing. If you like this video and you want me to make more such relaxing videos for you in the future, then do like on this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. It's free for you, but it's gonna motivate me to take my work forward and make more such videos for you all. And once you're subscribed, do click on the bell notification on so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. And do follow my blog and Instagram for more beauty and health tips, recipes and reviews and insights to my daily life when I'm filming, when I'm editing, what products I'm trying out and all of those fun stuff. I'm very active on my Insta stories and I shall see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.